Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can make relaxing music in Suno. In order to do so, here we are in Suno. We're at suno.com. We're all logged in. And the first thing you're going to see here is if you're first time with Suno, then you can just start by putting in whatever you want here on the home page. If you enter in something, let's say you just want some relaxing piano music. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll keep it super simple. So already it's starting to generate our song. And you can see here that it's brought us to the create section of the main menu. And here we have simple and we have advanced. If you want to keep it super simple, you just have specific idea in mind that you want to try out, then by all means you can do that. Here you can toggle on instrumental on and off. And if you go to the advanced section, then you've got your lyrics here if you want to add lyrics. If you need help writing the lyrics, then you can go to the right section and you can click on this wand and you can click on write full song and you can actually have Suno help you write the lyrics to your song. But if you're looking for something just instrumental, which is most likely what you're doing if you are going for relaxing music, then honestly, I would say you probably don't ever really need much more than the simple section, and just make sure that your song description is specific. Right here we have relaxing piano music, simple description, not much to it, but that's maybe good enough for your purposes. Now, if you want to get more into detail, you can. There's also a lot of handy suggestions here at the bottom that you can use if you just want to try something out. Let's go ahead and listen to the results. So that gives you an idea of what to expect with Suno. The results are really quite nice. And there you have our relaxing piano music. You could do relaxing saxophone music. You could do all sorts of stuff. Here, we're going to go ahead and share this on our Discord. If you want the whole thing, you can head over to our Discord channel, and all of the songs that we create when we're recording, we put on our Discord. We'd love to have you there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month's subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.